Hi everyone, today I will show you how to set up shift schedules and rotations in Google Calendar. So let's get right into it. First, open your preferred browser and go to Google Calendar. Once here, click on the day you want to set up shift on. Here, name your shift. I'll be naming it morning shift. Then set up the time for the shift by clicking on the options below. Once you are done with that, you can add guests, a Google Meet word video conference, or add descriptions. Once done, click on the Save button. Now you have successfully created a shift. Click on the card again and then click on the pencil icon to set up your rotations. Here under the time, click on the drop down menu and choose when the shift should appear. Click on daily if you want it to appear daily. Click on weekly if you want it on the specific day, weekly, and so on. Click on custom if you want to set up a custom shift time. I'll be choosing daily. Once you have chosen what shift rotation you want, click on save and it should be added on the Google Calendar. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to set up shift schedules and rotations in Google Calendar. Hope this guide was helpful. Thank you for watching.